Lit ng box na ito Doogee S Mini. Lit ang box niya and I was surprised na smartphone pala to. This is a small form factor na smartphone na rugged na nilabas ni Doogee kamakailan lang, no? And it's quite powerful. It's being powered by the G99 ni MediaTek. And it has some function na, well, kakaiba siya. And it's really small and fit na fit sa aking kamay. And I'm really excited to show you kung ano nga ba meron dito sa maliit na smartphone na ito. Samahan niyo ako after this quick unboxing. So nakita nyo na yun, everything that you need to know nasa loob ng box ng Doogee S Mini. Ito phone na ito, outright, it's so small. Sakto lang, palm size lang talaga siya. It reminds me a lot sa mga Nokia na maliliit na phone back then in the good old days. And this phone is rather slim. I would say na, uy, ang cute niya, ang liit. It's really nice, no, na kaya mo ilagay ito sa inyong pocket, kahit mo saan nilagay, no. Baka ka mawala sa sobrang liit niya. Meron nga pala siyang 3-color, frost silver, silver purple, and itong color na meron ko is the Secret Realm Black. Ganda naman ang pangalan niya, kakaiba. Secret Realm Black. Parang futuristic sobra. Anyway, another thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is itong kanyang card slot, no, na pag binuksan mo, hindi mo na kailangan ng SIM ejector tool. And this one support isang nano SIM on one side, and the other side, either you can use a micro SD card or another nano SIM. This is a 4G capable phone. So, ang ganang micro SD expansion, you can expand it up to 2 terabytes. Now, the phone na ito comes in one variant, no? 8256 ang meron niya. And tinignan ko sa Shopee, it's available at around mga 11,000 something plus. So, alam naman natin mga G99, no? These days, it costs at around somewhere nandun ng presyo na yan, no? Which is not so bad ang presyo na ito kasi this one is a rugged phone. It has all of the protection na gusto mo, no, to be rugged. IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H. All of that, water resistant, shock resistant, and of course, dust resistant. So kahit ipukpok mo to sa kalaban mo, okay na okay pa rin itong phone na ito. Kasi shock resistant eh. Tara, subukan natin sa kaway mo. Meron din siyang special function button dito sa side which you can nominate kung anong gusto mong gawin sa kanya, no? Single press, double press, and long press. Pwede mo gawin like open camera on single press, screenshot on double press, and of course sa third press mo, depende kung anong gusto mong gawin. Open the flashlight, depende sa'yo. Like ganito. Yan. Diba? And another thing na gusto ko dito sa kanya is itong display na dito sa likod. Andyan lahat ng kailangan mo malaman, battery mo, time, date, humidity, and weather. Now, being a G99, hindi ganun kataasan ng score na nakuha na dito sa AnTuTu benchmark. Was able to give me a 200,000 points dito sa AnTuTu benchmark. And if you further break it down, this is what you'll see. Now, sa one na stress test, nakakuha siya ng roughly 1,083 points on an average sa looping score niya. And stability niya is pegged at 92%. Ito ang score na nakuha niya dito sa Geekbench. And dito naman sa GPU benchmark na Geekbench. Now, the phone na ito has 3,000 mAh of battery and it only supports up to 18 watts na fast charging. So, the phone na ito was able to last me one whole day without any problem. Kasi hindi ka naman masyado magigaming dito sa phone na ito. Using it casually and normally, it can really last you for the whole day. Kahit siguro a day and a half, kayang-kaya naman niya. Putting under battery stress test, binigyan siya ng 9 hours na screen on time dito sa PC Mark na battery stress test. So, of course, swiping dito sa phone na ito is smooth. Kahit 60Hz na screen refresh rate, I have no problem dito sa kanya. It has a 4.5-inch na IPS LCD display which I think it's not so bad ang kanang color dito. Ang talagang habulin mo dito is kind of form factor, no? So that's why yung kind of display is a little bit small than usual. And since this is a rugged phone, so expect mo medyo makapal ang kanang mga bezels as well. Now, one thing that you should like dito sa kanya is that yung kanyang front-facing camera na module is nakatago sa bezel sa ibabaw. So, you won't see it sa screen. So, wala ka makitang punch hole or teardrop notch. So, if mahilig ka mag-scroll sa social media, watching mga shorts and reels dito is okay. Smooth naman siya. Wala mo na feel na pigil siya, no? Maybe siguro kung sanay ka sa mga 90Hz na phone or 120Hz na phone and gumamit ka ng 60Hz na phone like this one, you might feel na nag-a-adjust sa iyong mata. But overall, the feel is not so bad. I would say na smooth naman on every single swipe. Now, itong phone na ito only has a level 3 na wideband security. So, meaning hindi ka makakanood ng mga HD dito sa mga favorite streaming apps nyo. But it doesn't stop me from watching my favorite shows dito sa phone na ito. So, I did watch some films dito sa YouTube, some animes, and some basketball games. It was okay. Not the best, but siguro mafe-feel mo medyo bitin siya kasi medyo maliit ang kanyang screen. So, itong phone na ito has a loudspeaker dito sa likod. Hindi naman siya stereo, no? It's just one loud firing speaker dito sa likod. So, let's just try to quickly check kung gaano kalakas ang kanyang sounds. Uy, not bad Medyo malakas ang kanyang sound. I was surprised na isa lang yung speaker na dito and quite loud ang kanyang sounds. Not bad S Mini. Now, one of the things na gusto lang natin i-try dito, no, katuwaan lang to play a game. A quick game dito ng Call of Duty Mobile. Ito ang highest graphical settings na kaya natin i-set. And playing the game dito sa kanya, medyo mafe-feel mo cramp talaga siya kasi medyo maliit ang phone na ito. But the game was playable dahil G99 siya. Kaya naman tumakbo dito sa phone na ito without a problem sa Call of Duty Mobile. And playing a VR match dito and some rank matches dito for 30 minutes is okay. Cool naman siya. But medyo mafe-feel mo na iinit siya dito sa likod. Overall, the game is playable but I don't really recommend you to play on this phone kasi talagang cramp na cramp ang iyong kamay dito. Medyo mahirapan ka lalo kung medyo malaki ang iyong kamay. Now, itong phone na ito has dual camera lens dito sa likod. 50MP na main camera sensor and a macro lens na 2MP. Sa harap niya is a 8MP na front-facing shooter. Ang likod niya can shoot up to 2K na video. Ang harap can shoot only up to 1080p and 30fps.
So yun guys, mag-analyze lang tayo ng some camera shots na nakuha natin dito sa phone na ito. Starting off with a outdoor shot. So makikita natin, no, this is probably one of my favorite na shot dito sa mga bato na ito, no. If you zoom it here, makita mo, no, this shot is very packed with details. Kita no, yung mga imperfection dito sa bato, kitang-kita siya once you zoom it in. And I took this under 50MP na mode, no. It's really nice. Taking this gumamela shot, I would say okay, parang normal lang naman siya. Hindi siya so saturated na yellow. Zooming in dito sa kanyang pollen, looking very nice din with details. Though hindi siya super duper sharp, but I would say for its camera, it's not really so bad. Now, this is another classic shot na gusto natin, do. Parang very messy yung photo na ito. If you zoom it in dito, kita mo very detailed. Ito mga alambre niya, mga ugat niya, plus yung mga kalawang dito, at yung mga lumot dito, no, kitang-kita all in this single photo. Now, if you bring it indoors, though hindi siya super duper sharp, in likod makita mo blur, it's perfect blur, but hindi lang super duper sharp tong photo nito once you zoom it in. But if you take a look at this baso na ito, okay naman, no, very sharp naman kanyang logo once you zoom it in. It's very nice, no, even though that low light. And if you take a look at some of these coffee beans, if you zoom it in, okay, very preserved ang kanyang details, very good. Taking a look naman sa mga photo using the front-facing camera, siguro I would say na yung color niya hindi ganun ka tingkad, tingnan, but overall it's okay. Yung mga shots niya on outdoor condition, mga selfie shot, like this one, it's also okay. Siguro hindi lang sobrang detail sa akin mukha. But if you take a look naman sa mga indoor low light shot, medyo madilim, no? So medyo pansin mo, hirap siya sa low light. This one as well. Now, if you take a video on outdoor condition using the front-facing camera, 1080p and 30, this is how it looks like. Quite stable siya, surprisingly. And if you take a look naman sa video on indoor, you'd see na medyo hirap nga siya sa low light. Pansin mo kung medyo may ilaw, makita mo na medyo lumiliwanag siya, no? Pero kung medyo madilim, dumidilim din ang mukha ko. If you take a look naman sa kanyang 2K video using the rear camera, it's a little shaky and the resolution is not so bad after all. But siguro yung shake lang talaga magpapahilo sa'yo dito sa video na ito.
So guys, anong masasay ko dito sa phone na ito? With its form factor this small, it's so easy to carry around itong phone na ito. Mabilis ilagay sa pockets, sa sling bags, to anywhere. Probably the only thing na kakabahin ka, no? Baka mawala itong phone na ito sa sobrang liit niya. Hindi mo alam kung anong sulok mo nilagay. But overall, itong phone na ito is really good. It can withstand all of the torture na bigay mo sa kanya. So lahat ng protection nandito sa kanya, IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H. This is probably one of the smallest yet strongest phone that can withstand any condition na ibigay mo sa kanya. Probably the only thing na medyo mahirapan ka dito is medyo mas maliit lang ang kanyang screen, and yung pag-typing mo dito might be a little bit hard pag medyo malaki ang iyong mga daliri and malaki ang kamay. Playing on this phone is a little bit hard dahil medyo maliit ang kanyang screen, but it's playable, I would tell you. Camera niya is not quite bad for its price point. And considering that this one is a rugged phone, having a camera na kaya kumuha ng mga shots na pinakita ko sa inyo is not quite bad. Okay na okay itong phone na ito. Approve na approve dito sa akin, dito sa Gadget Sidekick, to have a phone like this one. Lalo kung medyo burara ka and you don't like a big phone, perfect for you. So guys, kung meron kayo natutunan dito sa video na ito, please share it to your friends. And of course, a subscription to this channel is appreciated. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.